To me, there's nothing that makes a home more beautiful than if it's beautifully lit. And I really like music. I'm Joe with Gramophone. Today we're with Adam One Take Domurad. Adam, how are you?
I'm great, Joe. How you doing?
Great to see you.
You too.
Coastal Source has some new products, so maybe you can just tell us for a moment about Coastal and why it makes so much sense to do your systems, and then we'll highlight the new items.
Sure. I mean, we've come a long way, doing outdoor audio and lighting, and our products have always delivered on high performance, high reliability, and durability, and adding a lot of value. When you purchase a Coastal Source audio or lighting product, it's a great purchase for a lifetime. It's going to last a lifetime and perform at a very high level. So what we've taken is we've improved our loved 10.0 three-way bollards into this two new models actually of our three-ways, and this is one of them. This is the EB2650. And what we've done is we changed the shape. It used to be our three-way was just a 10-inch circle.
Yes.
So now we're elliptical. So we actually increased the cabinet volume. So we're going to get 33% more output than we ever had before. And now, unlike our old design that was a bandpass design, which still is great and sounds awesome, this is completely sealed. No water intrusion, soil, nothing. It's not even possible for that to happen. So now we have four 6.5-inch woofers all backed up against each other in a force canceling kind of technology. And inside there's a metal tubing that's in there, and that takes care of the heat sink, but also allows for a conduit. Because we have a product for this line called the Vault, which is a storage center. Put an outdoor wireless access point in it if you need to.
Nice.
A network switch.
Nice.
So it's a housing for electronics.
Perfect.
And
you said there's two products.
There's two products. So we have the elliptical version, and then we have a version of this, if you like the other look, it's just a flat top. Okay, so this will have our 7x10 woofer in it with a ribbon tweeter. That's the other big enhancement, is now we have ribbon tweeters in this entire new line of bollards.
So this is going to have even better high end, more output, and it sounds like tighter and cleaner bass even than what you had before.
Absolutely.
And if you haven't heard Coastal Source, you really want to audition it because it's so impressive. At Gramophone and Worldwide Stereo as well, we now have the Coastal truck, so we can actually bring it to your home and give you an audition so you can be involved in choosing the right products for you. So just to also reiterate, Adam, this is not only going to give you all that better sound quality, but it'll give you better sound quality over a broader space, right?
Yeah, the throw on these has definitely been improved, and overall, again, the sound quality has been improved, if you can even believe that, because they were so good.
They were really good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sounds like you got two more things you want to show us as well.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Adam, one of the most powerful names in lighting is Lutron.
Yeah.
You've got a partnership you want to talk about.
It's amazing. We finally have a partnership with Lutron and Coastal Source. Now, you have been maybe familiar with our Modulus KETRA, which was a great outdoor fixture. It's a line voltage fixture, so a little bit of difference. It's not our low voltage simple connect system. But now, the partnership we now have is now low voltage outdoor lighting with Lutron products, KETRA and Rania.
Nice, perfect. And when do you think this is going to be ready to show to the public?
Well, we're obviously showing it here right now at Stadia, and pre-orders should start opening up very shortly, so this is coming along.
Perfect, I love it. Given that there's typically a little bit of lag time between when we talk to the client and actually schedule it, that should work out perfectly.
Probably, yeah, probably.
Such a strong addition to Coastal Source's offerings. And then you've got one more thing to show us.
Yeah. So in talking about line voltage, you always have to hire an electrician to do that. Now, Coastal Source, we have our Powersource line voltage plug-and-play system. So taking what we do great already, making cables with our plug-and-play connectors that are IP68 rated, now to extend an outlet, let's say you have an outlet on the house, but you need to put your lighting transformer or your amplifier far away from the house. You normally would have had to call an electrician to run wire and power all the way out there. Now you don't have to do that. You can do it on your own. Anybody can do it. You simply plug into the GSC outlet that's on the house, run our power source cable to our amplifiers. You can then daisy chain it to a control for the lighting system that's controlling the lighting transformer, or you can go directly to the transformer and then power our lights with that. And we were talking previously before about the Lutron KETRA, the line voltage version. Now you can install that on your own too. You don't need an electrician to wire in those line voltage KETRA fixtures. You can do it yourself.
Okay, and Adam, I understand this is not going to be available real soon. This is going to be a little bit into the future, is that right?
Yeah, definitely, definitely. We're showing it now. Again, pre-orders will start, and then we'll get the product shipped out. But this is it's all been tested. It's all been UL listed, so we're all good there. You have to be about 12 inches in the ground for these, but it's ready to go.
That's fantastic. We love stopping by the Coastal Source booth because we know that when it comes to outdoor, it's an awesome experience. And the lighting, of course, really beautifies your home. To learn a little bit more about Coastal Source and all of our fine products, you can go to gramophone.com. We really want to thank you for watching this video. If you haven't as yet, please like and subscribe and click that little bell icon so that you're always notified of our upcoming content. Thanks again for watching. We at Gramophone appreciate it.